Hi everyone, in this video you will know about how to earn money from ONPASSIVE platform. I'll cover three most important points. Also you will get idea how to maximize your income. This video will be very useful for founders, future resellers and customers also. Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now, what founders should do to become eligible for income and earn money from ONPASSIVE platform? Most of you know that to earn you should become a reseller. So all founders should become a reseller. Then you should buy the product package. There are two types of products, free products and paid products. You have to buy the paid products or paid product packages. Now your income, how it will come? You'll have a website, there will be link, and all ONPASSIVE products will be sold through the founders link. Even resellers, they'll come through the founders only. And your income will come from the sales made. Because ONPASSIVE is the real business and your income will come from the real sales made. Also, there are some criteria about engagement, so you should get engaged. Now, my dear friend, ONPASSIVE, it's an AI technology company. Their product portfolio, it will cater to B2B, business to business, B2C, business to customer. We'll have digital marketing tools. There are various tools, many tools for SMEs, business houses, even for educations and many more. He is our CEO, Mr. Dash Mufade. Now, what product packages to buy for maximum income? So you know that your income, you should have a paid packages. There are some standalone, and there are some bundle of products. So you should choose and you should study thoroughly what products will give maximum advantage. Some products are having very high demand and very high income yield. Because it's catering to various segments like B2B, B2C, education, business, SMEs, digital marketing. B2B business products, their yield will be very high. You are able to get penetration into the B2B. You will get maximum income. If you are having penetration for video conferencing, you will get maximum income. And there are so many things. So please explore. Study thoroughly the products and the advantages and uniqueness. You can maximize your income. Now, how to maximize your income as ONPASSIVE founder or brand ambassador. Now you know our ONPASSIVE founders are brand ambassador. So you are having advantageous position. See, there are two avenues of income. One will come from the company's report through AI technology, through website, link, traffic. So you will get advantage. So one avenue. Other avenue based on your own effort. You can share the link, if you are having contacts, you can post in social media and give a link. It will be very helpful, and whoever buys through your link, you'll get advantage apart from the company's efforts. You can do email marketing. So if you are having contacts with business houses or industries or digital marketers, you can do email marketing, and if they buy through your link, you will get advantage, so you can maximize your income. There are so many things, so please explore. That's all in this video. Thank you.